In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your order history on Blinkit. If you want to remove a specific order from your Blinkit account, the process is fairly simple, but there are a few important things you should know before you go ahead. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find your past orders and how to delete one safely. First, open the Blinkit app on your phone. Once the app loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the profile icon. This will take you to your account section, where you can manage different parts of your Blinkit activity. From there, select your orders. This is where Blinkit keeps a record of the orders you've placed. You'll now see your order history, and at this point, you'll need to choose the specific order you want to remove. Go ahead and open that order to view its details. Once you're inside the order, look for the delete option. Depending on the version of the Blinkit app you're using, this may appear as a trash or bin icon, or it may be inside the three-dot menu in the corner of the screen. If you don't immediately see the delete option, check both places carefully, since app layouts can vary slightly between versions. When you find it, tap delete and then confirm the action by tapping delete order. After you confirm, that order will be removed from your visible order history. Before you do this, it's very important to understand the consequences. Deleted orders cannot be recovered, so make sure you really want to remove that order before confirming. Also, once an order has been deleted, Blinkit customer support will no longer be able to help you with that specific order. That includes things like invoice requests, complaints, returns, replacements, or cancellations. So if there's any chance you might need support related to that order later, it's a good idea to avoid deleting it until you're completely sure. Another thing to keep in mind is that Blinkit currently does not offer a way to delete all orders at once. If you want to clear multiple orders, you'll need to delete them one by one manually. So to recap, open the Blinkit app, tap profile, go to your orders, open the order you want to remove, tap the delete option or the three-dot menu, and then confirm by selecting delete order. That's all you need to do to delete your order history on Blinkit, one order at a time.